Hey, this is Raza from GoHighLevel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to properly set up and launch an SMS trip campaign inside GoHighLevel, our AI-powered CRM built on top of GoHighLevel, but enhanced with real spot, smarter system, and done for you guidance. Now, if you are currently struggling with a broken or confusing high-level setup, or you are just getting started and don't want to waste weeks figuring things out, we have made this simple. You can find a contact us link in the description if you want help getting everything set up the right way from day one. But before you send a single SMS, you need to make sure your system is A2P compliant. That means your business brand is verified, your campaign is approved, and you have proper consent form for your contacts to obtain. And yes, SMS is not free. Every message you send has a cost because it's powered by Twilio on the backend. Now, here is where most people get stuck. They either get rejected, get confused with compliance, or just don't know how to properly submit A2P. If you need help with A2P approval or fixing rejections, we have added a help request form in the description. We handle this for the clients all the time. Now, just a quick note, if you ever feel like SMS costs are adding up or the compliance side feels a bit heavy, some businesses actually replace SMS with WhatsApp messaging using Goa.app. With that setup, there is no per SMS cost, no A2P approvals needed. It's fully integrated with GoHighLevel, and your existing SMS workflows can function as WhatsApp messages. I have added the Goa.app link in the description if you want to explore it. But for now, let's focus on SMS strip campaign. Inside the CRM, there are two ways to set up an SMS strip campaign. Simple method, no workflows. This is perfect if you want to send broadcasts, promotions, or reminders and have already consent from your contacts and you don't need tagging automations or follow-ups. Then this is the fastest way for you to launch. But the other way is advanced method, choosing workflows. This is where things get powerful. Use workflows if you want to automatically tag contacts, build multi-step trip sequences, trigger actions based on behavior, integrate with AI, pipelines, and follow-ups. If you are serious about scaling, this is the way to go. A quick note before we continue. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, stuck in setup, or unsure how to structure your campaigns, you can always reach out through the contact us link in the description. We help businesses fix broken GHL setups, build high converting automation systems, and launch AI powered follow up engines that actually generate revenue. Now let's move forward and I will show you exactly how to set this up step by step. All right, so let's start with the simplest way to launch an SMS strip campaign. This method is perfect if you just want to send promotions, send reminders, or reach out to a list of contacts who have already given consent. No automations, no complex setup, just quick and effective messaging. Step number one. So inside your CRM, head over to contact section over here, right? And then from here, you will see your full contact list. Now, what we want to do is select the audience for this campaign. So here is the step number two. So you can actually select all of your audience, all of your contact list like this, or you can actually go to advanced filters like this and select the filters you want based on maybe age, right? I'm not going to use age, but let's say there are more, right? Age, business name, city, company name, or whatever the case may be. You can just apply filters to select your audience, just select all, right? And here you can see you can export them, trigger automation. So we are gonna click on more and send SMS. So here we have the messaging window where we can set up the action name. It's an internal name, so it will not go out to your contacts from phone numbers. So if you have multiple phone numbers in your account, so I'm going to select one. So for example, this one, pick an SMS template. I can select out of my SMS templates if I have any, or I can just simply put in my message in here. So for example, I'm gonna use this one, right? Uh, just ensure it is short, clear, and action driven. Another example could be this, right? So for example, if I take this out and just paste this one, right? Just ensure it is all personalized and action driven, short and clear. Action name, test SMS trip campaign from phone number this. No, I'm not gonna use an SMS template. And if I scroll down, and this is where I can actually set up the trip, right? So I'm gonna switch to send in trip mode instead of send all at once or send at schedule time, right? So you can still send at schedule time, but you need to continue with send in trip mode. So pick a start date and time. All right, I'm gonna pick a date and time over here. So right now, I'm gonna select now or maybe any date and time in future. So I'm gonna select now batch quantity. So let's say I'm gonna choose 10 for the safer side, repeat after one and or, right? And I can select the days where I just want to continue, right? Time window optional, start from every day and end at every day, right? If it continues on multiple days, hit check to confirm and send SMS. So as soon as you click on this button, right, your SMS drip campaign will be launched. And this definitely works great if you just want to send quick campaigns or reminders. But if you want to automate follow-ups, trigger messages based on behavior, or build a full system that runs on autopilot, then you will need to use workflows. And that's what I will share you next. Now to set up an SMS drip campaign using the advanced method and workflows, you will need to head over to automation and we will be creating a new workflow, walking you through how to set it up. Right, I'm gonna, create workflow, start from scratch. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna name this workflow. So for example, a test drip SMS campaign, right? Just whatever you think fit. For now, in this particular case, I'm not gonna set up a trigger. I'm just gonna start with the actions. So in the actions, so first action I'm gonna choose is trip mode. In the trip mode, I'm gonna select whatever the case may be, one or, right? And the batch size, let's say, is 80, right? Good with that. And SMS goes here, search for the SMS. Send SMS, this action, we will use the same SMS, right? Just save it, and now you can add a tag, right? So add tag, I'm gonna add test tag, right? Come on, right? So I'm gonna add test tag, save action, right? I can wait for a response. So let's say wait, just wait action, not simply time delay, but we are looking for a reply. So we will use contact reply, reply to this particular SMS, right? So if I name this SMS is something REA, okay, it's fine, right? So in here in the wait step, I will be able to see reply to which SMS reach out one. Just save that, right? And now even if you can choose if and else conditions. So just to track if someone replied or not. So contact reply, just replied, true or false, right? Just continue with that. We have wait timeout option. So we can maybe time out in 3 days. We will be waiting for someone to reply in 3 days. If someone times out, goes here, but if someone replies, goes here. And in this condition, we can set it up where a replied message or intent type is positive or negative. Positive goes here, right? And the other one goes here. right, in the second branch. If you actually want to add another branch, you can just duplicate this one, change to this one to negative, and name this to negative intent, right? And now anything positive goes here, anything negative goes here, and anything that's not detectable by intent engine that we have in high level that will recognize the intent of the replied message, right? And you can add far more actions over here, because if you click here you can just see a full list of actions that we have in high level, right? So you can just select one of them and you are good to go, right? So now right now what we have set up in this workflow is the trip campaign, right? We have trip action, and then this SMS going out on trip, and then we have a tag, and then we are waiting someone for a response. If someone replied within the set time, which is 3 days, that goes here. But if someone fails to reply within the set time, goes here. We can add another tag in here, say inactive, whatever the case may be. Just save that. Anyone who replies within the time goes here, and who does not goes here, and will get a tag that says inactive, right? And in the condition going forward, if someone replies, cool, but what is the intent of the reply, positive or negative, goes here. And you can add more actions accordingly, and to none you can set up an internal notification maybe. Right, so it's gonna be an in-app notification. It could be email or SMS or WhatsApp, but for now we are gonna choose in-app notification title, a new reply, unknown intent, click to see more details. And this notification will redirect the user to a contact page and will go to all user or a particular user. So I'm gonna send it to myself, let's say, and just hit save. So just ensure your workflow is published, just hit save, and once it is done, you can actually go back out of your workflows into your contact list, and in the contact list, you can actually select all your contacts, right, trigger automation, and push them into the workflow and select your workflow. So for example, the workflow that we just set up is test, right? So this is the workflow that we just set up. Test trip SMS campaign, right? Internal name, advanced SMS trip, right? So this is just for internal tracking and has nothing to do with the context. So and it will not go out. And because you have trip action set up in the workflow, so you can send all at once, and that will be totally fine. That's how you set up your SMS trip campaign, both the simple way and using the workflows. Now, depending on where you are, if you just need something quick, you can start sending messages right away. If you are looking to build a fully automated system, workflows are the way to go. Now, just make sure your A2P is properly set up and approved, your contacts have given consent, and your messaging stay clear and relevant. If you need help with any part of this, fixing or setting up your GoHighLevel account, getting your A2P approved, or building out your automation system properly, I have added all the links in the description. You can reach out or request help anytime. Other than that, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.